Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to capture or find out someone's IP address. Now that's their public IP address. Now before we start, I don't condone or recommend the use of this information or methods to find the IP address for any illegal activities or anything like that. This is to strictly be used for testing or trying to diagnose problems on a specific network, and that you have on networks that you have permission to do this on. Now there are a few different ways that you can go about finding out an IP address from a specific network or a user. Some of these involve using Wireshark to capture network packets going back and forth between your network and their network. However, that's a bit more complicated, so I'll cover that in another video. But in this video I'm going to be showing you the simplest way to find someone's IP address, simply using a website. Now the website we're going to be using is called Blaze IP Logger. I know I spelled it wrong. Blaze IP Logger, and just open up Google search or whatever browser you use and Google search that. Then we'll hit the top one, and then now what we do is we're going to enter a URL or website that we want the user to think that they're going to. So basically how this works is you send a link to the person that you want to get the IP address from. They then click on that link, and their browser is going to navigate to whichever website you specify here. But before going to their website, it's going to basically ping to this site, Blaze IP Logger, and tell this website what IP address just accessed that URL. So for example, let's go www.google.com.au, and we're going to hit submit. And it's going to generate for a bit. Now it's generated this link over here. So now we're going to share this link to someone that we want to access this site and that we want to capture the IP address of. Now for someone that's using different browsers, this will still work. It'll work on Google, Safari, Opera, Firefox, whatever browser you may want to use. It'll work. This link is universal, so it's basically just going to this website. So now we're going to paste that in there, and as you see, it's going to go through that link, and then it's going to go straight away to Google, which is that website that we specified. But now if we go back to this page and we hit refresh, so now as we can see, we refresh the page here, and it's told us that this IP address, which is my IP address, has accessed that link. So we can see it's given out a bit of information about my operating system and about my computer that's just accessed this. It lists all these different web browsers such as Mozilla, Firefox, Chrome, Safari. It'll do that. It can't really, I don't think it can tell you exactly which one it uses, but it tells me which copy of Windows, so Windows 10, whether it's 64-bit or 32-bit version of Windows. So we can see x64 gives us the host name, and as I said here, it gives me the IP address of the person that's just accessed that, and it's also given me the date. Now this link can be reused over and over and over again. Just send it to whatever network you're wanting to get that IP address from, and then hit refresh on the page, and then that access log, that's going to tell you exactly which IP address has connected to, has gone through this link, and the date at which it's done that. So anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions, leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll hopefully catch you in the next video.